The Eskimo Quickfish 2 pop-up ice shelter is an easy and affordable option for keeping 1 or 2 ice anglers warm on the ice. Setup takes only 60 seconds thanks to the simple hub design originally introduced by Eskimo. Pull out each side hub in succession, then step into the shelter and push up the roof hub. When set up, the Quickfish 2 stands sturdy and rigid against the wind and covers 25 square feet of ice. All Eskimo shelters feature black interiors, making them great for sight fishing and keeping light out of your holes. The shelter can be secured to the ice with the included industry-leading Eskimo ice anchors. Tie-down ropes are also included for heavy wind days. On warmer days, the 4 windows can be removed for ventilation. The door is secured by durable YKK zippers. The Quickfish 2 features IceTight fabric with a 59% higher thread count than comparable competitor shelters. This tighter weave helps repel wind and water and also reduces weight by 19%. The extra long skirt further eliminates drafts. All of these features combine to make ice fishing inside the Quickfish 2 comfortable. When you're ready to go, the shelter pops down in seconds and fits into a slim cinch bag that can be easily carried on your back. The Quickfish 2 only weighs 18 pounds, so transportation won't wear you out. As the originator of pop-up portable ice fishing shelters, you can trust Eskimo's quality and reliability. Fish with ease and comfort with the Quickfish 2 pop-up shelter today.